Hi guys, welcome to my channel Rehan Vlogs and Food. Today we'll be washing my dad's car and we might go to another place. So let's go. We're going to talk for a bit until there's one small garden right straight there where I'm looking. There's one small garden. Until there we are gonna come back here. I'm just waiting for my dad because he did not come yet. So how are you guys? I am fine. Today we'll go to, we'll make a car wash for my dad's car, which is all the way behind me. And we might actually go to another place. I don't know if we will. There is a 50-50 chance if I will go to another place, but I don't know. We're actually very close. I'll show you the small garden when we're going to get there. So yeah, I'll see you then. While we're here now, it is actually a bit of a mess because many people come here during the COVID-19 for some reason. I don't know, but I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, this is the garden, the small one, the small park. So we're going to go and head back. I'm going to run this part because I don't like to be on the streets because there are many cars here now. In the morning I don't know so much on Friday, but there are many cars. So we'll show you the car that we're going to wash right now. So yeah, let's go there. We're going to go to the car wash, which is very close by. So yeah, let's go. Detour because we needed some gas for the car, because we're going to a gas station which has a car wash, but in that place that will take like 3 hours, and there's one gas station right here which is very free, only just 2 cars I've seen right now. I don't know the ones behind us, just in front of us I know. So we're going to go straight, then go to that car wash. Building from the front, it just looked like a house, but in the back I feel like it's a Colosseum, but not actually a Colosseum. Now we're actually, I think so, very close to the car wash, so we'll see you again when we're there. Well, we're here now at one car wash, so we're going to get up now and see what they do. Well, we are here now, and also sorry for the loud noise because there's another car being washed right now. So yeah, we're going to wash this one, and mostly the top is so dusty. Well, they're now starting. I'm talking very closely to the phone. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know. The reason why I'm talking so closely is because It's so loud! I'm telling you. It is so loud. There's actually specks of dust. I'm gonna get back. There's dust coming out of here. So yeah, we'll make another shot. We're going to make the next one in time lapse, so you can see how the car gets washed. I'm going to move this to place to place. So yeah. The car is going up. OMG! I have never seen my dad's cars under area. Now I'm going to see that. It's going higher. Oh no, 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 no. I'm not going to get wet. You ain't going to make me wet. So I'm going to go to another place. I'm going to go to another place. I'm going to get a close up. You can see the inner parts of the car. OMG. I actually can't even believe it. I'm going to try to stay out of it. Okay, now I'm going to get wet. So far away. Say what now? What is crouch doing? Oh no 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 no! Can you believe that? By the car. Oh my god! Oh no 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 no! I am getting soaked with car soap. I have actually just been soaked with car soap. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna take it back. Yo, yo, yo. I'm soaked. I'm gonna see the back and clean it, so yeah. Well, here comes the car down from all the way up top. Oh my gosh, the car is actually turning. It's not me. This is not perfectly straight now. From my angle, I saw the car move. Probably just me. I don't know. But I think that it is. Wait! No, 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 no! Okay, now that's a bad idea. A very bad idea. Very bad. But I can crouch down. I'm gonna play some good in the corner. You can see the underparts of the car. I'm sorry if it's so bigger. It is very hot. I wish the car is taller than me, but I'm almost taller than the car. I don't know if I am. And I'm gonna again go back. It is actually very hot in the UAE right now. I'm sweating from my mouth. So yeah, we'll see you again. Well, we're almost done. It's fully finished, just only the carpet. Those for the feet, the mats. No, until after that, we're done. Well, we're done now. We're going to go and head back home. So, see you on the road. Now we're going to a different place than as we instead just going to the car wash. We could go to a different place. In the start, that's what they said. And we are actually going to a different place. So we're going to see and we'll see. We just came back from that place. Now we're going to a small supermarket to buy some food. So yeah. Well, we're back now. We're going to go home. So yes, yeah, at home. We're back now at our home. And we're going to go inside. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.